Oh, there we are. Chicken chow mein made. How easy is that? Hi guys, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make chicken chow mein. Now we're in a tiny kitchen, but you know, it's Friday night and I want chicken chow mein, the same as the takeaway, so we're going to do it right now. Okay, so what I've got going on in here, I've got some noodles which I'm soaking. You know, they've been soaking in boiling water. They don't need to cook, they just need to soak for about 5 minutes until they go soft. That is all we need to do, and then we're going to drain them. Ingredients, very easy. Chow mein, we got a couple of green onions. I've got a little bit of chili for colour. Now it's not hot in any way, but we're going to slice it across, get it in there, and we'll have a little bit of red colour in. You know, I like that little bit of a presentation. Now you can use broccoli or mushrooms or anything you want in chow mein. It's entirely up to you. But what I've got here, I've got some snow peas or minced, and I'm going to put some of that in. I've got half an onion, which we're going to slice lengthways because we want to match the noodles and the bean sprouts. Talking of bean sprouts, I've got a few bean sprouts there. We're not going to put all those in, but we'll probably put in a handful. And the star of the show is going to be chicken breast. And what we need to do, we need to prep up the chicken breast and we are going to slice it across. Now, garlic is optional. You don't have to put garlic in, but I like garlic. So I'm probably going to put 1 clove in, and I've got a carrot. Okay, a carrot again, just for colour, a little bit of presentation. Now you can slice it all up to put it in, or you can put it in sliced across. So what we're probably going to do, we're going to put a couple of marks in there, take it out and slice across, and we have a little bit of a presentation. Onions, spring onions, we're going to cut into about 2-inch pieces. That's it, simple. It's a very simple recipe, and we've got some soy sauce, oyster sauce, wine, pepper, etc., which we'll show as we're cooking. So let's prep these vegetables. So like I say, what we're going to do, we're going to slice the onions lengthways, so it's nice and easy, straight through there like that. Now we don't rush, take it nice and steady. We do not want to be cutting fingers. So that is our sliced onion. Now onion and garlic and carrot are all going to be cooked together so they can go in the same bowl. So there's our onion. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put that in there. So there's our onion. Just put that to one side. Garlic, like I say, is optional, but I like garlic. And what we're going to do is give it a smash in, and we're just going to give it a nice little mincing, you know. Now I'm not going to go too small on this. So that's our garlic. Put that in our bowl with our onions because we're going to cook it all together. I'm going to make it really simple. Carrot. Okay, I've got this carrot which I've washed. Now we only want a little bit of carrot, but what we're going to do, we're going to cut out a little bit like that. Take that out of there. So it's nice and easy, we don't rush with any of this. So just take that out of there. So we've got this effect going on there, look. And all we're going to do is slice across. Don't rush, no rush for any of this. So what we got going on, we've got these lovely like flower carrots. Now we don't want too many, we're just going to put that in our bowl. Chilies, chili nice and steady across like that. Okay, it's just for colour, nothing else. Now this is completely optional, you don't have to put any of this in. So we got that chili going on in there, we just need to be putting it in a bowl. Green onions, we want the green bits, so just flatten the leaves down and we'll come across like that. So put that in there with our chilies. And now for the onion, we want to do exactly the same. Slice it on a bias. Put that onion in a bowl. Now for our snow peas, our minced too, we need to top and tail. So it's nice and straightforward. Just get a few of those together like that and then just take off the end. We don't want that on there. Don't want that little bit of woody stalk. And then we don't want to really be throwing them in like that, you know, we want to be coming across there. A little chop through. You don't have to go too bananas with this, as with everything. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put that in the same bowl as our onions, because they're going to go in about roughly the same time. Chicken nice and steady, we don't want that skin on there. So let's get that off there. Feel around, make sure there's no bones in. Right, we'll have that across there like that. And then this is obviously too thick. So what we're going to do, we're just going to come in there like that. And half it. Right, so the chicken then, nice and steady, we want to be slicing this. So we're going to slice through. So we've got these slices going on, look. Not too thick, because we're going to blanch this chicken in water, in boiling water. And we do not want it to take too long to cook. It's as easy as that. So that's our chicken done. Okay then, first job, what we need to be doing, we need to be going in our pan to blanch our chicken. So we want that chicken in there, and all we're going to do is blanch it in that water, blanch cook it. And then all we need to do is get it out. Get our chicken out of there. And we're just going to stand it over our bowl to drain. Okay, so we want to be going in here with a little bit of oil. We're not going to go in with too much, just let it warm up a little bit, not hot. Just let it warm up a little bit. We don't want to go too bananas. We don't want it absolutely screaming hot. And then we want to be going in with our onions, carrots and garlic. All that in there. And we're going in with our chicken. Some spring onions. And a little bit of minced too. And we want to be going in with our noodles, straight on top there. Maybe get a few more in there actually. In with a little bit of soy sauce. And with a little bit of dark soy sauce. Little touch of sugar. Little touch of pepper. Little touch of oyster sauce. Little splash of wine. And some water. Just a little bit of water. And let's give that a mix up. That's good. In with some bean sprouts. In with a little bit of green onion tops and a little bit of chilli for colour. A little shake of sesame oil. And that's it basically. All we got to do now is turn off and serve it up. Oh, there we are. Chicken chow mein made. How easy is that? Oh, fantastic chicken. Oh. Incredible. Incredible. Crunchy veg, fantastic noodles, juicy chicken, chicken chow mein made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.